Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show how to install WinDbg on Windows 7. The process of installing WinDbg has changed many times during history, and what I show today might not work in the future. I really show it here just for the sake of completeness. If you ever want to install WinDbg, it will just be about searching WinDbg inside Microsoft website and then following the instructions. These days, you cannot officially get WinDbg as a standalone product. If you do want to get WinDbg, you have to get it as a part of some bigger product. In this example, we are going to take it as part of the SDK, which is the software development kit for Windows. This is something which we can download for free from Microsoft website. Let's begin. I open my browser, which is Firefox. And then I search for WinDbg. The first result says debugging tools for Windows, WinDbg, KD, CDB, and NTSD. Let's click on this result. We got to a page on Microsoft website. We can see that it says there are 3 ways to get debugging tools for Windows, which is what we want. We are going to pick the third way as a standalone toolset. Therefore, we are going to click on this link, Install the Windows SDK. We got to the next page which says Windows Software Development Kit SDK for Windows 8.1. I'm using Windows 7, so you might be thinking that this is not going to work. Surprisingly, it is going to work. That is because I only want to install WinDbg. I don't want to install everything. Let me show you how to do it. First, let's install and download. I'm going to save the file, and the download has finished. I can find the file inside the downloads. You might be wondering how come the file has downloaded so fast. That is because this is just a stub, which means that this is a setup file which is going to download everything itself. Let's run this file. First, we should specify location for the installation. Pick any location that you want. I'm going to pick the Programs SDK. If you wanted, you can use this Installations tab to download the full package to your computer. Maybe, for example, if you have another computer which is offline and you want to install WinDbg on that computer. But this time, we are going to use the online installation. I click the Next button. Here I choose No, because at this point I don't want to join the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Next we have the License Agreement. You should probably read it and make sure that you agree to everything that you see here. Let's click the Accept button. This is the point where we have to choose what we want to install. We only want to install debugging tools for Windows. Therefore, we can uncheck all the other boxes, which leaves us with not so large installation. it will be of this size. Next, we click on the Install button. The installation is going to take some time, and we will have to wait. The installation has completed. We click the Close button. Now let me show you how can we run WinDbg. I press the Start button, or maybe using the mouse, the Start button here, and then I enter WinDbg, and I'm going to see two different versions. One is x86 and one is x64. If you only have the x64 version, you will not be able to do the exercises and follow the next lessons. Therefore, make sure that you have WinDbg x86. Let's click on this one and see that it works. Indeed, we got that WinDbg works. This is about installing WinDbg, at least in the year 2014. See you on the next lesson.